Hey, welcome back to another Design and Flow website education video. My name is Sam, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your header, your footer, and your menus in Elementor Pro. Let's do it. Okay, so we're starting again in the WordPress backend. On the left-hand side, once you're logged in, you'll see a tab that says Templates. Don't click this template button. Actually, just wand over to Theme Builder. And this is going to open up the theme builder for Elementor. When you're here, you have two sections. This will show you the site's global parts, so everything you've ever made. Or you can go to header, and it'll show you the headers that are on your website. We're going to click this one right here, the Elementor header, and click edit. Now that we've clicked on the header that we want to edit, this is the actual header. So this is made up of a logo or an image. It's made up of a menu bar, and then it has a button. So if you want to edit any part of this, you just click on the pink pencil tool. Once you click the pink pencil tool, you can go to style if you want, and you can adjust the width to make this bigger. You can adjust the height to make it bigger. If you want to make it smaller, you can. If you want to change this image altogether, you just click choose image. And then you can upload whatever file that you want to. And click select. If you think the header is too thin, you can actually click this pink thing with the 6 dots. And you can adjust the minimum height. If under the layout tab, you can adjust the minimum height. So if you want to make the header even bigger, I mean, this is obnoxiously big, but if you want, you can make it a lot larger, a lot smaller. Also, if you click the pink pencil tool on the menu, so this is all the tabs that are going to be your navigation for your website. So if you click the pink thing, you will actually go to the Edit a WordPress menu, where you can name the menu. You can choose a menu. So one thing to note about menus, which I'll go over in the next section, is you cannot edit this menu from this editor. You'll actually have to edit this menu from the menus tab in the backend, which I'll show you in just a second. All right, so to edit the navigational menus that are on our WordPress site, like I said before, we cannot edit them in the Elementor editor. We have to edit them in a different spot. So once you're back at your WordPress backend dashboard, all you have to do is click on Appearance, Menus. And this is going to open up the menu editor. With the menu editor, it'll show you at the top of the screen here, select a menu to edit. You can have more than one menu on your website. So this is the final primary menu. I have a test menu. I have another menu for the footer. So if I go to the test menu and I click select, it'll show you a whole different menu. You can name this menu whatever you want. You can also delete items just by dropping them down, clicking remove. Let's just remove all of these and we'll start fresh. All right, so to make this custom menu, all of the pages that you ever have made on the website will live in this section right here. It's a drop down that says pages. If it looks like this, all you have to do is click the triangle next to it that says pages. Right now it's showing the most recent, but you actually want them to show all of the pages. So you click view all. And the first menu item that we want is the home page. So I'm going to click the home page, which I've set to this name, landing page, and you'll click add to menu. And as you can see, it has added this to your menu that you're custom making right now. You can drop down and you can actually change the labels. So this will change what appears at the top of the screen. So we'll just label this home. And then say we want to add an about, We want to add our gallery, and we want to add contact. All you have to do is click all of those little checkboxes, add to menu once, and it'll add all 3 of these pages to your website menu. You can actually rearrange anything in the menu. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they will appear horizontally 1, 2, 3, and 4. So say I want contact to be the 4th, I would just move it down 1. Make sure it's directly underneath, because what happens is if you move it over, you've now turned the About into a drop-down menu, which houses the gallery page. So if you come over, this makes it its own menu item. And if you come over underneath About and indent, it makes a drop-down. And the drop-downs can even have drop-downs, so it does go deep. So I'm going to save this test menu, and we're going to head back into the Elementor header so I can show you what this does. All right, now that we're back in the header editor, by going to Templates, Theme Builder, Header, and selecting the header that we want to edit, if we go to the menu and click this pink pencil, you can actually change the menu here. So we just edited the menu called Test Menu Video. So you can see here we have this final primary menu, which has all of these tabs. And then if we go to Test Menu Video, it changes it to just the 4 tabs that we created in the menu editor in the WordPress backend. If we're happy with these changes, all you have to do is click Publish, and it'll save the changes to your website live. And it's the same thing for the footer. So if you want to edit the footer, all you do is you click Footer, you go to the footer you want to edit, click Edit, and this is the footer of the website. So you can change the text if you'd like. We can change this picture if you want by clicking this, going to Style, and changing the picture. You can go down and change your address if you'd like. You can change your working hours. This is also a menu. So same thing, we will go back to Appearance, Menus, and adjust the menu there to change these type of menus. And then we click Publish whenever we're done to save our changes. And that's how you edit your WordPress Elementor header and footer and the menus for your website. Once again, thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next videos.